Okay, so now that you hopefully understand distributive property, let's tear it apart and do it backwards. This time, so I call this, we're going to factor it back out. So I have 20b plus 16c. Well, I can't combine those because they're not like terms. This one has a b, this one has a c. But what I can do is come up with an equivalent expression by pulling out the greatest common factor. So, what's the largest number that will go into both 20 and 16 evenly? Well, I think it's 4. So let's pull a 4 out of this entire expression. Then that gives me 4 times 20 divided by 4 is 5b. Here's my plus. And 16c divided by 4 is 4c. I can't add those, they're not like terms. Now, if you want to make sure you did this right, you can use distributive property, multiply it back, and you should end up with your original expression. Okay? Let's try another one. What if I had 30d plus 18? I need to come up with the greatest common factor of 30 and 18. I'm thinking it's probably 6. So I'm going to pull a 6 out of this expression. So 30 divided by 6 is 5. Don't forget your d. And 18 divided by 6 is 3. Okay? And we're done. One more. 24g minus 8h. I want to pull out the greatest common factor of 24 and 8. Well, I think that's just going to be 8. So I'm going to pull an 8 out of this. So 24g divided by 8 is 3g. Then I have a minus. And 8h divided by 8, well, 8 divided by 8 is just 1. You can put a 1 in front of the h if you want, but you don't have to. And there's our answer. So remember, if you want to check your work, you can always use distributive property, multiply it back, and you should get your original expression. I hope this helps you understand how to factor an expression back out. Thanks.